Hello, in front of me I've got F125. In this video I'll show you how to create your own badge. In the beginning, let's go to F1 World. Now go to Customization and Badges. Select Design and now Edit. Select Shape of Design and Emblem. Next you can change color or edit style. Also you can browse items you've unlocked. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.